Windows 11 is getting seriously futuristic, and Microsoft just dropped a sneak peek that could change the way you use your PC. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Microsoft is introducing Ask Copilot to the Taskbar, making it an AI tool that aims to replace the old Windows search box, but with a high-tech twist. Just type a query, and Copilot will come into action with files, apps, or even suggestions for what you might want to ask next. It's like having a mini AI assistant right at your fingertips. But don't worry, Ask Copilot isn't there by default, meaning it won't hijack your desktop unless you want it to. You can enable it in settings to make your taskbar more useful and a hub for AI-powered guidance. There are also handy shortcuts for Copilot Vision and voice commands as well, letting you interact with your PC in ways that once felt straight out of a sci-fi movie. Microsoft claims this isn't a privacy nightmare, as Ask Copilot doesn't go through your personal files or settings beyond what Windows Search already does. Your secrets are safe, as Copilot just brings the same info with AI fun, taking you towards smarter and faster answers. And that's not all. The preview build also teases a quirky audio sharing feature for watching movies with friends on the same laptop, perfect for those cozy nights in. With all this, Ask Copilot is hinting at a bigger version of a taskbar that's more than a toolbar. It'll become a Windows interface that's genuinely intelligent, and a future where AI isn't just an app, but the core of your PC. Copilot could soon become the heart of Windows 11 to guide, suggest, and even chat its way into your daily workflow. Do you think this update is useful? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.